This New Orleans historic garden DistrictÂ walking tour highlights the American settlement and their beautiful homes, gardens, wealth, and how life was changed because of their amazing contributions. This multifaceted tour includes the unique history of our incredibleÂ city, culture, and architecture. The Americans' early settlements, lavish lifestyles, andÂ immense wealthÂ area obvious as we walk through this opulent and super astonishingÂ neighborhood. Our tour begins outside of the gates of Lafayette Cemetery No. 1, as you learn of the basic burial information and customs and discuss why New Orleans cemeteries are so unique. Note: public access is not allowed in this cemetery. We thenã walk around a theã neighborhood where you'll see the architectural styles of the Americans.Â you will see celebrity homes, perfectly manicured landscapes and movie hotspots as well.Â walk with a local, see it through our eyes. Wheelchair accessible. Infants and small children can ride in a pram or stroller. Service animals allowed. Public transportation options are available nearby. Suitable for all physical fitness levels. Children must be accompanied by an adult. Dress code is smart casual. Tour is generally wheelchair accessible, however be prepared for very uneven surfaces at the sites visited, which may be difficult for those with mobility issues or using a wheelchair. Operates in all weather conditions, please dress appropriately. A significant amount of walking is involved. The Lafayette Cemetery No. 1 is closed due to repairs and we cannot enter, but we do our cemetery portion of the tour from the iron gates, where you can see the tombs clearly. If using ride share, give the address: 1427 Washington Avenue, New Orleans, Louisiana 70130, Le Petit Bleu. Then after drop-off, walk across the street to the Lafayette Cemetery No. 1 to meet your guide. Wearing a green polo shirt, with the logo Tours by Steven. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older, or be accompanied by an adult, to book.